In version 26, we've introduced services, a new feature designed to give you full control over managing your boatyard operations. You can now schedule and assign tasks for your engineer or technicians, take deposits and payments for services, as well as handle bookings for both berth holders and ad hoc customers. From the services view here, we can see all ongoing services and their relevant statuses. If we drill through to our service card, you can see initially we are required to fill in the necessary customer details. This can be done by selecting from an existing customer, or for an ad hoc customer, you can simply click on the Edit Assist and start filling in their details. If related to an existing berth deal customer, the details of both the boat and the marina will be brought through to the bottom section under the tab labelled Boat. If the customer is ad hoc, you have fields for service boat name and service boat description that can be used to take down the necessary information. We're going to create a service quote for an ad hoc customer. You can see from our ribbon here, we're able to add jobs, and we can select from various service types that we've created. In here we have blacking and service. You can create as many of these types as you need, and behind them you can set individual task checklists, which we'll see shortly. By selecting service, this will add and create a service job card for the boat service. On the service job card, we can see our GL account lines and the costs and price associated. At the bottom section, we can see tasks. These tasks that are being generated off the back of the service type that we've chosen. In this case, we have just a single task. This service task code, if we view, will show us an individual checklist sheet that the engineer can complete when carrying out the service. If we head back to our service card, we can now add further jobs to our quote in accordance with whatever the customer has requested. Again, we can head to our ribbon and select the job type to add, which will create again another service job card, including lines for where this will be posted and the amount needed to charge, and the relevant tasks required to complete. From the service card, we can now see both of our lines added for the two job types we've selected, giving us a full quote for our customer. We can then add a deposit amount and specify how much we need someone to pay in advance. The payment can then be taken via the point of sale action on your ribbon. We can also choose to send our quote via the service card, with options to print or email. Doing so with print allows you to see a preview of your document, which can be customized with your own layout. Once we are happy with our quote and we've taken our payment, we're then able to convert this into an order, and we can do so by selecting this from the ribbon. As the contact does not have a current customer account, at this point in the journey the system will prompt the creation of this account so that the service can eventually be invoiced on completion. Now that this has been created, our order status has updated, and we are now able to move on to planning in our service tasks. You can navigate to the tasks via the job card, or alternatively, you can use the service matrix, also accessible here. Here you can see all of your available resources, and you can accurately manage and plan in workloads. From the matrix, you can also drill down onto tasks and hover over to see additional detail. You can also move and manage all aspects of the task from this view. Once our service is complete, we can select the complete action from our ribbon, and the status will update accordingly. Importantly, if you have more than one task line, you can mark individual lines as ready for invoicing. Once ready to invoice, you can do so directly from the service card, or there is a bulk routine if you want to run through and invoice multiple. When invoicing, you can create a pre-bill report. This will allow you to preview your lines before invoicing. As you can see, the services functionality centralises your operational scheduling and customer management, helping deliver a more professional and streamlined service offering.